Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. Vi4. Super AMOLED screen, Corning Gorilla Glass V5 protection. Dual cameras on the front side. 45 watts fast charging. 4 nanometers processor. LumaFusion facility for video editing. Quick share for file transfer, on-screen fingerprint sensor. Verdict. Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra 5G enables users to produce professional quality work while on the move. This particular device stands great in terms of the available cameras, inbuilt battery and a smart on-screen fingerprint sensor incorporated within. A professional level multitasker at your fingertips. Display and camera. Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra 5G s 14.6 inches front screen is packed with a high resolution of 1848 by 2960 pixels and a pixel density of 239p. The device also packs a multi-touch Super AMOLED display that gets protected by a Corning Gorilla Glass V5. Further, 90.46% is the available screen-to-body ratio. There is a dual camera setup available on the back side of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra 5G. It comprises a 13MP f/2.0 wide-angle shooter and a 6MP f/2.2 ultra-wide-angle lens. An auto-framing mode available helps to adjust focus while recording videos. A dual camera setup is equipped on the front that includes a 12MP f/2.2 wide-angle main camera and another 12MP f/2.4 ultra-wide-angle lens. Configuration and battery. The ultimate performance of the device comes from a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset, which is backed by 12GB RAM and an Adreno 730 GPU. The Tab is also loaded with an octa-core Cortex-X2, Cortex-A710 and a Cortex-A510 processor layout. A massive 11200 mAh battery runs the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra 5G throughout the day. It belongs to the Li polymer battery and supports 45 watts fast charging. Storage and connectivity. Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra 5G comes with 256GB of internal memory, which is extendable up to 1TB. The Tab supports 5G and 4G VoLTE network connectivity for communication purposes. In addition, it is also compatible with USB Type-C, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth V5.2, mobile hotspot, Wi-Fi Direct and AGPS with GLONASS. Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra 5G price starts from 122,999 rupees. The lowest price of Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra 5G is 122,999 rupees at Amazon.in. This is 12GB RAM, 256GB internal storage variant of Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, which is available in graphite color. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.